it started.
Hi everyone, this is Daniel Everything here, and Eli and Jax here, and today we're going to be playing
My restaurant.
Part 8.
Yeah.
Get into the video, then the intro comes in. Okay, so yeah, we're at the store right now, right Clea?
Yeah.
Okay, what are we going to do?
Actually, I'm gonna save up my money because I want to buy the dishwasher.
Oh my god, I just reached $1,048.
$1,000? Dang, there's so much people over here. Like yours, there's so much people over here on mine.
Well, Jack is at my restaurant.
A VIP customer. There's a VIP customer at my restaurant.
Oh my god. He could pay you a fortune.
I know. This is like the second. I got a celebrity. I got 2 VIP people. Now who's next?
Yeah, I did have a celebrity too. I only got a VIP, and I got a first class customer, and I got a private investigator.
Dang, everybody wants food over here. I'll get anybody's.
Everyone wants food at my restaurant too. Like, you should look at my restaurant. It's crowded because I only have one floor. Do not be afford to buy the second level. How many do you need for the second level? Wait, I want to see. If it's one house, if it's not 1,000, all you need for $4,501 to get up to that level.
I'm trying to get. Okay, I'm about to go buy the dishwasher.
Dishwasher? I don't have that much money. I want to spend my money. I don't want to spend my money.
This is $3,000. 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna be poor after this video. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, leave me alone. Oh.
It's a good video, man.
I bought it. It said I had to buy it.
Have to buy it with Robux?
No, with the regular money. I have to serve 100 customers, but luckily the VIP person.
I'm heading to yours, Kuya.
Okay.
I'm running so fast. I'm like the Flash. No, I mean I'm Dash. From The Incredible.
That's a big dog.
Hello everyone, this is Eli and Jack. Can you please subscribe to me and Vanilla?
How much it? Oh my god, it's not letting me. Look at the VIP customer. He sat right here. Look how much money he gave me.
Oh my god.
It's not letting me pick it up.
Is that a donut? Oh. Okay, I'm heading over back to mine.
Okay, I'm coming.
Come back to mine.
Okay, I'm coming.
Hey, we can just walk up there.
Oh, Jackson is still next to you? I thought he left. No, I think he might have teleported back.
That was spider and stuff.
Okay, I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm at yours.
I know.
Dang, there's a lot of people at yours.
I know. Welcome to the Eli 77LC restaurant. I will be your host today. How may I help?
Is there any available chairs? Oh, right here.
On the menu, we have cooked beef and cheese burrito, a nice taco with no beef, pepperoni pizza, a baguette roll,
Yeah.
a chicken leg, some veggie sandwich, more taco, orange, and a burger. What will be for sale for you? Jackson wants a burger. Okay, one burger coming right up.
I want a burger. 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 I want a burger from your nose.
Jumping up on me. burger.
I want a burger.
Oh, I just got $100 by that person. A VIP person just came over to my restaurant and he gave me $103. Well, I think I don't have any burgers right now. Our chef is working very hard today.
Oh, mine is next to yours. Mine is just across the street. Not across. It's next.
Just across the street?
It's just next. It's like 2 restaurants down. No, it's like 1 restaurant for Jackson and it's 2 for you. I'm next to you guys.
Hi, imagine. Hello. I would love to buy please, can I buy a burrito, please?
Here, want me to tell you what we all have?
Yeah, Danilo, can you put your camera on me, in me face, and then you pretend that I'm talking. I'll pretend I'm talking. You have to imitate what I'm saying.
Okay.
Hello, I'm Elijah. So I just wanted to buy 1 cheese burrito, please. Thank you. Put the camera on your face and say, okay.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna sit down on this table.
You said a burger.
Burrito, I mean.
A burrito?
I did not say burger.
Chefs, cook up a burger. No, burrito. Oh my god.
Please give me the burger. I'm so hungry. I serve you food, you serve me food.
Sorry, sir. There's no burritos right now. I don't know.
You're fired.
Yay, I'm fired. I'm free. I'm free. Okay, I'm about to go. I'm about to go hire someone else.
I am mad at you.
Whoa, I teleported somewhere.
Where did you teleport, Kuya? Where did you teleport, Kuya?
I teleported this to the shop. I'm back. What? Okay.
Danilo, can you come over to my restaurant?
Yeah, I'm coming back.
Okay, wait.
Sure.
Kuya.
But I'm coming.
Okay.
Dang, people have a 8-story restaurant.
Jackson, work at your restaurant. Work at your restaurant. Because you're gonna get money. Oh my god, Danilo, look at this long line.
Okay.
Look at that shop.
Dang. Okay.
This is my restaurant.
There's a good dog after.
Danilo, can you come in?
Yeah, I'm in.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Where did you go?
You kicked me out.
You did?
Yeah.
Yeah. Out of the game?
Yeah.
You out of the game? Like the whole entire thing?
Yeah.
Oh, no, you're still in. You kicked out of my restaurant?
Yeah.
Oh, you got kicked out of my restaurant.
I don't.
You're in.
Yeah.
That's a good one.
Is it again?
Actually, don't know where I am. I think I'm at Jackson's.
Okay, well. Why did I click on something? Oh no! Danilo, can you answer? There's like, after this, I want to buy something.
No.
Oh, I just got $30.
Okay, I'm coming back. The richest guy on the server has $3 million.
Don't say that.
No, the richest guy on the server has $3 million.
You do?
Yeah.
Hey, how can I put this on?
Hey, Danilo, you can come in.
Okay. What'd you say?
See?
Well, the whole way they
I did not even,
after I put the salt
block
on
you
it.
out of it. Is that chicken leg? Ew.
After I put the salt on there, Nemo.
Danilo, should I tell him the truth?
Yeah.
Should I actually tell everyone, viewers, my truth and my story on what I'm doing right now?
Yeah.
So you might have known me as a vegetarian. No. It ain't vegetarian. I ain't. You're not vegetarian. I eat meat. I know why. I don't know why. But I've not even ate meat since like 6 or 7 years ago.
Damn. Get out of my restaurant!
I have to eat something. But you know, we have to eat something to make us healthy and stuff. Well, meat is the most very healthy stuff.
Oh.
Yeah, my story. Vanilla,
Yeah.
I'm gonna cry. Okay.
Get dressed.
Where are you going?
How much minutes do you have?
Again.
4.
Again.
4 more minutes?
Yeah.
And it's gonna end?
Yeah.
Well, how about we just do the outro right now because then we're gonna forget.
Yeah.
So thank you guys for watching this video. Me and my beautiful friend. Here, wait, let me go.
Okay,
Okay, restart. Where are you, Kuya?
I'm at the shop.
Okay, no, you're right here. Me and Milo over and okay, let's go.
Hold on, I need to say something properly, okay? Stop. Okay.
Or maybe you want to walk with me.
No.
Stop. Shop. What can I buy for my price of money?
I don't even know where I am.
You were talking about money, right?
Yeah. How much money do you have?
I have 1,966.
Oh, I need to buy something at the shop too. Let me go come over here with you.
The same exact cash you need for the second level.
It says I need to get another stove. I don't want to get it.
Yeah, you got to. How you gonna cook?
I'm gonna buy it and sell it.
Sell your old one and get a new one.
Money. Oh.
Mhm.
Okay.
That's how you supposed to do it. You sell your old one and get a new one. Use some of that money up, get your new one.
Okay, let me get something else too. There's a tea stove, there's a dishwasher, a golden dishwasher, lecture. I
I'm gonna walk
Danilo,
myself.
don't buy that.
Myself out here.
Okay. The golden luxury. It's 200K, 165. How's a dishwasher more than a stove? And I'm gonna buy the most expensive thing in this whole entire store.
You can buy almost everything.
I'm buying something.
How about this video title will be Becoming Poor.
Yeah, becoming poor. Becoming poor in my restaurant.
Is your video still on?
Yeah, it's at 1440.
Okay, let's do the outro one more time. Thank you guys for watching this video. This Eli over and
Okay, 7, 5, 6, I don't know.